Hello, this is Jide Adelo from Smart Currency Traders. In this training, I'm going to guide us on how to install and use Forex Robots. Forex Robots, also known as Forex EA, are automated software. They are automated software program used to generate trading signal and execute it. Forex Robots, also called EAR, automated software program used to generate trading signals and also execute it. They generate it and execute it. So you don't need to do anything. What you just need to do is to set it up and it will start trading for you. They have inbuilt take profit and stop loss. So when they set it up, it starts trading for you. Why there are many forex robots that are just like a waste of time, resources, and effort, there are also forex robots that are very profitable. We we design, we develop, and also market forex robot. If you really want a good forex robot, you can get across to us. Forex robot that can really good give you real good money, we have them, so you can get across to us. I want to guide you on how to install and use this forex robot. So, like, I'm going to be using one of our forex robots, one of our peak forex robots called FS Gold Plus. So we have here .ex4 and also .set. This is the real robot which you are going to pick. You right click it, you locate where the robot is, right click and copy it, then you go to your MetaTrader 4, go to file, go to open data folder, then double click and open MQL4, then double click and open expert and place there. So forex robot, forex EA are pasted in expert inside your MetaTrader 4. So after you have done that, what have I just done? I copied the robot, I went to file, I went to data, open data folder, I went to MQL4, then went to expert and pasted it here. So after doing that, what do I need to do? I will just come down to the chart and just refresh. By the time you refresh it, you will find your forex F, FS Gold Plus here. So after you have done the, what do you need to do? Locate the broker, locate the currency pair you want to put it on. This FS Gold Plus work not only on gold but also on other currency pair. That's why it is FS Gold Plus. So it works on gold. So you can just double click it. When you double click like this, it comes up. When you drag it, it comes up. Or when you right click and click attach. So those are the three ways to add a forex robot into a chart. It also come up. When it comes up like this, you come down here to come on and ensure that you click on this allow live trading. Leave this one like this, leave this one like this. Then you come down here and make sure you check all of these three boxes. So when you check them and this place is like this, then your robot is set to work. Then you come down to input. On this input, you can change information here to your, maybe you're having a bigger trading account. You can change this one to maybe 0.2, or you might even change it to 0.1. Depending on your trading account, you can always change this. So let me just, then another thing in that set file that you see there, maybe as you are getting the robot, there is a special set file that work best for the robot. How do you load it? You come down here, click on load, and you now go and locate where that set file is. Click on load, you come to document, come to this, and this is the set file. So by the time I click on this and I click on open, it brings the set file. So this thing had changed. Before this was having 10, this was having 5. Now it had changed by me loading that file. So if you have any robot and they are giving you set file for it, you are that this is how to load both the robot and the set file. After you are finished, you just click OK. Then you click OK. If you come down here, you will see the FS Blue Plus, but you will see that this circle here is not smiling. You must ensure that it's smiling. How do you do that? And immediately you come down here and come and click. See, this is red. By the time I click on it, it become green, and the the then the robot will start trading. Look at this now. So you see, so immediately I click it, the robot has started trading. Because I put it on this, I can also come down here, change this one to my 1 minute, because the robot will with 1 minute. Come down here and do the same to double click. Check this also and show it like this. Then this is here, I told you that this is 10 before and this was 8. I can still go down and load that set again for this currency pair also and click OK. So now I have it on. So you see that one too has placed trade. This robot is a very powerful robot. You work on edge strategy, and it can multiply your money within 2 ways. Yes, multiply money within 2 ways. So that is, by the way, concerning double your money within 2 ways. That's, by the way, concerning this. Let me now tell you about what we call VPS. That's where you put your platform, your MetaTrader 4 platform, so that the robot, because robots supposed to be working 24/5. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because market start on Sunday night. So for that one to happen, since you cannot just open your laptop forever, there is need for VPS, called virtual private server. So this is a virtual private server that is hosting robots. So I have a lot of, see what we have in here. I have a lot of this running running many robots inside them. This is like one robot running on this place. See what it has. When do we push this robot here? Let's see what it has done. We have a lot of, there are many garbage everywhere, but we have robots that are working. Difficult to get, but we have them. See, this one started on the 10th of October with 5,000. See what it has become. See what it has become. This is what it has become within that set time. 853 have been added to it. So we have this one too. Let's just open this one so I can see this. See this one. This one has started running since when? Let's check it out. This one started, I think, day before yesterday. See, this one started day before yesterday. This one is 28 and today is 30. Day before yesterday around 7 p.m. So it has not really reached between that time and now, which is, we are still just around. See what has happened. It has not even reached full 2 days. By 7 p.m. this day around 1, it has not reached full 2 days, and it has done what? It has been able to make some good profit, $85 here. So you see that it has been very consistent. Less than 2 days has done, from 250 has become what? It has become 334, and it's still placing trade. So these are very good, very good trading software. See that it's positive now. Very good trading software that we are using. See, it has placed that trade, that picked that profit now. Just now in your presence. That just pick that profit. That's how it works. That just pick this. These 2 trades just ended. Just now. You could find it there before, but it has now picked it and it has closed the trade. That's how it does its thing. Less than just around 1.5 days. It has been able to pick how much now? Be able to pick $86. So these are software. These are how to these are how to install. If you want to get VPS, Google and just search for cheap VPS. Many of VPS are they around $10 per month. There are even some $5 per month. So and there are, Google even also Google is also giving free VPS for 3 months. You can search on YouTube, how to set up free VPS with Google Cloud. You will see a video that will guide you on how to set up free VPS with Google Cloud. So this is what I want to pass across to us concerning robots. Robots are automated, you know, they are automated software that trade the market for you. They trade the market for you and bring forth profits. I hope I've been able to, you install it by copying it, taking it to the file, open that chat folder, then MQL4, then you see your expert. See, it's placing trade again. Before you know it, it will close the trade again. It works very smart and fast. It doesn't stay too long in the market. So many good robots you can get from us. If you want to get those good robots from us, you can still get across to us on our wonderful website. Get to smarttraders.com.ng. At smarttrader.com.ng, you will find all of these robots that you can always smarttrader.com.ng. I'm expecting the site to load. So just get to our site smarttrader.good. It's loading now. smarttrader.com.ng. Then here you will see some of the, if you move down, you will see some of the robots, even the video, some of the video of, see, this is a result. See what this one does. In 3 days, 300%. This is live trading. This is live trading, and it's even a live account. It's a live account, live trading within 3 days. See all of what this one has done. It has been able to, like 3 times of, yes, 3 times of the account you have before you, $100 has become 412. So you have many of them. You can go through these two. These are Forex Gold Miner. See how it works. Then we also have about 2 good. This is another one. Top performing Forex Gold Miner. Then this one also. Go around, and if you want to, you can always contact us if you want to get across to us through our WhatsApp if you want any of these products. Thank you and God bless.